Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by collecting the basics. Pull the complaint ID and filing confirmation immediately because you will need them to identify the case. Make sure your government ID and the email or phone used in the original report are ready. This speeds verification. Once done, open the reporting portal or app and sign in with the same account. This prevents mismatches and lets you reach the cancellation option without backtracking through unrelated menus. You now verify the case details on the portal and select the specific complaint. Check the incident description to confirm it's the right file. Then choose the request cancellation or amend status control and enter a concise reason: mistaken report, resolved matter, or false alarm. You may need to attach a signed withdrawal letter or ID scan, upload clear files, and include contact details. Make sure to review entries before submission because corrections slow processing. You finish by confirming the cancellation submission and saving the confirmation number and any on-screen receipt. This proves you initiated the request. Expect an emailed or portal update within the stated processing window, and if you don't get it, contact the help desk or the reporting agency directly. Use phone or visit in person for urgency. Troubleshooting tip: if your cancellation is denied, request a written reason, gather supporting proof, and file an appeal or.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.